Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about YouTube cover art, and I don't want to waste any of your time, so let's dive right in. Okay, so here we are in Canva. What we want to talk about today is how to make sure our art, our YouTube cover art, YouTube banner, interchangeable, fits correctly across multiple devices: desktop, TV, and your mobile and tablet, okay? So your smartphones. All right, let's dive in. Okay, so here we are in desktop. And so as you can see in desktop, it takes up the whole screen here. We're using mine as an example. And you can see that it's more of that long rectangular horizontal space, yet on Canva it has this big giant rectangle. It's not as narrow, and so you go in thinking, okay, I'm going to use the Canva design and it's going to fit, and then you're banging your head against the wall because you're like, it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. And so what I've created is a template with this video to help you better understand and fit in the graphics that you need. So we're going to go back to Canva. And as you can see here, what I've done is I've created a template, and don't worry, the link will be down below so you can have access to this as well. All right, so first things first, this is the correct dimensions of the Canva banner art. You do need it to be this big, but I want you to kind of mentally ignore the white space that I have here. All this space right here, and all this space down here, ignore. Even, you might want to even ignore these two areas here because you're not going to see things there. So that's fluff. Don't put anything important in the desktop or tablet area. All right. All your devices will be able to see this area right here. And so this is our safe zone. This is where you can place all your important items right there. And so what I have done is I've created a few templates already. And so right here, I have a really simple one with no graphics, just little images. And so if I copy all of it, it's not going to copy the background. And then I place it on top of this. You can see that the graphics up here, you won't be able to see, but it kind of splatters down into this area. Same with these graphics right here. And then Dana writes, I just made up a name, fits right here in your safe zone as well as this whole area right here where it says who you are and how often you will upload. It fits right there into the area. All right, so I'm just going to hit Control Z. I'm on a PC, so that replaces that. So let's go to the next one. Now we have her image. Again, let's copy all of it. Let's go back up to our template, master template. I'm going to hit paste. Again, it fits in that all devices safe area. And again, you have some of these graphics here that kind of go off the sides. So whenever you are looking at, let's go back to it, it'll go down below here. You won't be able to see it, but you'll see a little bit of it right here, okay? And you can see you can create these background environments, you know, this fluffy area. So I did a more contrasty black and white. And again, this will all fit. We're going to copy it, go back to our master template here. And you can see that one fits perfectly into the safe zone. You've got an image of yourself with lots of doodles, and all of that fits in there. So let's go back out. And so you would download, see this is page 5, you would download this entire graphic as your cover banner art. But when you place it into YouTube, this small little area right here in the middle is all that your followers and YouTube subscribers are going to see. All right. Okay, so let's build one from scratch. Are you ready? I'm just going to do something really simple. We're going to do podcasting, woman podcasting, and we're going to do photos. I want to get one that has, there you go. And so you can see she fits right there. We're going to edit the image. We're going to do background remover. It's not always perfect, but this one. So we're going to do some erasing here. Okay, so you can see it's not a perfect cutout, but if you have something, all right, so we have her. We want her to go down into the safe zone. Just grab those corners. And we obviously want her to be in the safe zone. Okay, so you can see that the podcaster fits right there. So maybe we want to push her over here. Let's add some elements. Let's do triangles. So kind of like that. And again, we want that to fit in the safe zone and also not distract from her. You can see it's on top of her. We want to change the color. She's got that really pretty, it's recommending colors here, the photo colors. So I would do that. And then I would position it backwards behind her. See, look at that. Isn't that nice? All right, let's add some text. Let's call it Faith Podcasting Title. All right, so we want that there. Maybe we want to add another element, and so they've got something like that. I like how transparent that one is. So it adds to the triangles.
Mom, there's a paper down here. I tell you, where's the remote?
Can't really change the color of that one.
Where's the remote?
All right.
Where's the remote?
Joys of working at home. All right. Kind of center that right there. So you got triangles, triangles. I know it's a little messy right now, but just trust the process. So you got the Faith Podcasting Title. Let's add another title and say videos weekly Tuesday mornings. All right, maybe you want to do something really scripty. I love this Angela White one. We want that color. We'll do the brown. Okay. So now, I'm going to grab all those things, copy. We're going to do a blank one. Boom. Look at that. So that one, we can tell that it's not going to work very well without something behind it. So what if we change the color of this to like a lighter version of that? Which doesn't seem to be working really well. Let's do something a little bit lighter. You see that? And now you can see that that one kind of pops out. So this is going to fit perfectly in her area. Now, just to be on the safe side, I would probably make this a little smaller. Put it right there. And then grab this, copy, paste. Grab your free Bible study. And make that a little bit smaller. Put there. Add arrow. I want something kind of fun and funky. We don't want all, because now you can see they've got some moving graphics. We won't be able to use that. We would just want graphics. And that one. I like that one. And you can change the color. So again, we can do the darker one because it kind of goes with this nice neutral theme. Rotate it a little bit. Rotate it a little bit more. And there you go. You can bring it over there. And so it's going to point to those links right there. And then you would download, so this is page 2, share, download. I would do a PNG. And you would just do page 2 and download. There you go. Do you want to see what it looks like in action? Okay, we'll do it really fast. Okay, so we're in my channel. So you can see right here, you've got the little camera thing. Right here in your customization, you got the banner image. And look at that. It actually fits perfectly. Look at that. And you can click done. Obviously I'm not, because that's not what my channel is about. Be extremely misleading. But Faith Podcasting title, grab your free Bible study right now, and it fits right there. But if you made it too small, you can do this. Do you see that? So viewable on TV, viewable on desktop, viewable on all devices. Boom. And there's your banner art. I hope that was helpful, and make sure you grab the template below.